Welcome! In front of me I have Rubicon LW06 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the system settings on the watch. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue with the reset. So first, let's wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel, you should see the settings icon, tap on it, and in settings, scroll down, find the option called system, select it, and here find the option called reset, and select it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm, and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.